Meaning of hind.
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 Hind. The word hind has multiple meanings depending on the context. As an adjective, it can refer to something situated at the back or rear, or relating to a female red deer. As a noun, it can be used as a shortened form of Hindi, referring to the Hindi language or someone from India. It can also be used as slang to mean someone who is slow or awkward. In summary, hind can mean situated at the back, relating to a female red deer, Hindi language or Indian origin, or is slang for someone who is slow or awkward.